In this video, we're going to do a quick preview of your assignments for this week. So here's the lecture assignment for this week. In the first section, I give you 3 descriptions of studies, and the question is, for each of the following, state whether the situation describes a between subject design or a within subjects design. So remember, the difference is, in a within subjects design, one person belongs to all the groups and is measured multiple times. In a between subjects design, each person belongs only to one group and is only measured one time. So that's how you'll determine which is which for the first part. In the second part of the lecture assignment, I describe a study and I ask you questions about the study. So is it between subject or within subjects? Write your null and alternative hypothesis, why should we use an ANOVA, etc. And then I've also provided SPSS output for running whatever kind of ANOVA is appropriate for this study. And remember, when you're looking for your results, you're going to focus here on your test statistic and your p-value. There's post-hoc information given, and you're only going to use the post-hoc information if one of the means is not like the other, if there's a significant difference in the means. Okay, and here I've just provided the mean and standard deviation for each of the 3 groups in case you would like to use that as you write up your results in APA format. And there's an example just like this in the class notes. All right, so that's your lecture assignment. There's going to be a video on the lab assignment, so I'm not going to go over the lab assignment, but let's quickly preview the journal assignment. So in the journal assignment, you're going to access this article, and this article has both ANOVA designs within it. It has a between subject ANOVA, and it has a within subjects ANOVA. It says, don't worry about the specific subtypes. So they're going to talk about subtype analysis, but just keep the big picture in mind. They do a between subjects ANOVA, they do a within subject ANOVA. And then the question that I ask you are, which research questions did they use a between subjects ANOVA design for, and why is that appropriate? Which research questions did they use the other ANOVA, the within subject ANOVAs, to analyze their data, and why was that appropriate? And then just talk about what conclusions they made. Did they do any post-hoc analysis? If they did, what did they find? All right, so this article is going to have both types of ANOVA in it, and you're just going to, again, be thinking about why that analysis was appropriate for the research question they were asking, and then writing a little bit about what they found as a result of their analysis. Okay, so those are your 2 assignments for this week, and again, a separate video is posted for the lab.